Hey guys, it's Mark and welcome to the channel. It's good to have you. Today, I've got for you a 2024 Pfaff Motorsports McLaren 720S. Yes guys, this is a Pfaff Motorsports McLaren. You might remember that. They had these in 2024. Not too successful with it. Should have stuck with the Porsches. But anyhow, this is a TSM 143 resin scale model. As you can see, comes on that gorgeous showroom base with the oversized dual cool cover and the IMS branding on the inside of the box. Now, for the first time, McLaren's Pfaff Motorsports McLaren 720S GT3 EVO wore the legendary red and white homage of livery from Motul, USA at its title-sponsored race at Laguna Seca in May of 2024. A very significant change from the standard plaid livery. It was also the first and last season with the McLaren brand after leaving a long-term relationship as Porsche, as I mentioned in the introduction. Drivers Oliver Jarvis and Marvin Kirchhofer returned to the cockpit for the first time since their difficult outing at the 12 Hours of Sebring. Kirchhofer drove the 720S for a strong lap of 1:20.244, good enough for third position on the starting grid behind the two factory Corvettes. At the finish, the McLaren 720S finished second and scored its first podium of the season. Pfaff Motorsports has established itself a successful sports car racing team in the IMSA WeatherTech Championship, with the 2021 GTD Class Championship and the 2022 GT Pro Class Championship, as well as numerous victories at various venues in the IMSA WeatherTech Series. The Canadian team has a long-established partnership with Lithia and Driveaway, Motul, and the automotive-owned brands of the Canadian Tire Corporation. Now guys, as I mentioned, this unique model is with this red and white livery. Otherwise, it unmistakably looks like a McLaren. Take a look up here. You can see Motul on there, the title sponsor for this particular race, Motomaster, and a good look into the cockpit. Has the usual rather delicate mirrors, kind of like the Ferraris do. Two dive planes on each side of the front of the car, along with a nice carbon fiber splitter. The wheels and tires are typical TSM, very nicely Michelin branded tires with the slotted brake rotors. Notice guys, as I had mentioned, that this was a IMSA GTD Pro entry, thus it has the red number panel, the number 9 that you see here, red mirrors. They have red end caps on the windshield banner as well as red end caps on the rear wing. You'll also see there the number panel there lights up to how the car is running within the order. And also notice that on the rear wing, you do, oh my God, yes, you have a return to the plaid that you would expect from the folks at Pfaff Motorsports. All right, guys, here's what I call the money shot. A look at the rear of the car. You can see the beautiful exhaust sticking out in your face. Nice looking carbon fiber splitter there. Notice that under the rear wing, there is no plaid, no labeling. It's just plain. But you do have the plaid labeling on the top and the Motul logo. And you have a number of unique aerials on here. In fact, you've got 4, as well as the pitot tube. There's a cool shot looking at the rear of the car going to the front. Now, interior detail is quite good, but it's really hard to show on camera. Those of you that own these models know how good they are. You can see the names of the drivers there atop the door panels. B-pillar slotted. And you've got that typical McLaren shape with the cockpit that just rolls down to the mid-engine. So guys, that's going to wrap it up. Hope you've enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. See you next time on It's All About Racing.